Hey guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Kshitij, and on this channel we talk about robotics, research and academia. In this short video we are talking about Arduino versus Raspberry Pi. What are they and when to use which one? So both of these are integrated circuit boards that you're going to come across if you're doing a hardware design project for robotics, for IoT or similar. But the question is, when do you use which one? So simply put, they both look same on the surface because they both have chips and a bunch of input-output pins. But an Arduino is a single circuit board. So you would use it for a simple function where you have to do the same thing over and over again. For example, every morning open the window blinds. If you are trying to come up with a more complicated scenario where you have to fulfill a bunch of conditions like every morning open the blinds, water the plants and make some coffee, so you have a bunch of different conditions to follow, you would be using a Raspberry Pi, which is more like a mini computer. Hope this helps.